Hi, my name's Adam Carroll. I'm the manager of this facility, the Research School of Biology, Research School of Chemistry Joint Mass Spectrometry facility, where we provide mass spectrometry facilities and services to the Australian community, especially those here on campus at ANU. Okay, I'll take you in for a look. Come with me. Okay, so in our facility we have two main laboratories, and in this one we have mostly gas chromatography mass spectrometry instruments, which are really useful for analysing volatile chemicals like imagine the essential oils that you smell out of a eucalyptus leaf, but also a wide range of metabolites from biological systems, from plants to animals, also synthetic compounds. This is one of the most powerful systems in this lab that has a lot of robotics for automatic sample prep and a mass spectrometer that can measure the mass of something very accurately down to several decimal places very accurately. So the robotics help us to automate a lot of that sample prep. So you would have seen people sitting at the bench doing a lot of pipetting when they do manual sample prep, which can be quite laborious and prone to human error. So to overcome those problems, we've got these robots which can do a lot of the work for us and do it more accurately and reliably than a human being. Over this end we have our sample preparation area with safety cupboards, fume cupboards, so we can work with toxic solvents and things like that and be safe. But we also have more JMSF instruments. This is the one that's routinely used for the pill testing work that some of our researchers are involved in here at the ANU. Australia's first fixed pill testing site. Some of the samples will come here and get analysed on this instrument. Inside, don't know if you can swing around and see inside here. This is the GC column where the chromatographic separation of the chemical mixture that's injected happens. Based on basically like the boiling point, so the relative volatility of different compounds. Okay, so this is the second laboratory of our two laboratories, and in this area we have mostly liquid chromatography mass spectrometry instruments. So this is one of our flagship LCMS instruments that's routinely used for analysing the proteomes, which is the full protein complements of living systems. And then we can do all kinds of mass spectrometry experiments with this instrument. This instrument's worth roughly $1 million. And so it's very sensitive, very versatile, suitable for a wide range of experiments. And although it's very powerful, we regularly train people who don't even necessarily have a background in chemistry to be able to use them for their research problems, whether it's in archaeology or biology. So as I mentioned before, we have a lot of different instruments in the facility, altogether 12 instruments worth about $5 million altogether. And this is one of our newer ones that has some unique capabilities. This is our Waters Synapt G2SI instrument. And what makes this one unique, this is another type of LCMS instrument, but what makes this one unique is that it can separate ions that have the same mass to charge ratio. And inside you can see all the technology that goes into a mass spectrometer. There's a lot of moving parts and a lot of amazing engineering that goes into building a modern mass spectrometer. Yeah, so if you want to get involved in mass spectrometry, whether you're from ANU or outside ANU, in academia or industry, we're open for business. We have really affordable fees that are heavily subsidised by the ANU for academic research. Reach out to us and come and have some fun doing mass spectrometry.